Why you guys give me this to react to, bro? Like, why you guys done this, bro? Why you guys done this, bro?
Si no le ayuda a la fábrica, el camión le da.
What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here for another episode of reactions. And today, people, we there due to a comment. Someone left a comment. Here's the comment. They said to react to Ivorian. Say call her name. Ivorian Doll. Daily Duppy. I think it's a freestyle. My headphone there. Oh, I have my headphone. I have my headphone and I look for my headphone.
Okay.
I wasn't ready. I literally wasn't ready. The glasses are off already. Lighter! And you know. Water! Is here. So, today, we're going to jump straight tonight. You know the score already. Golden rule. You know the golden rule, right? Just do it. Come on, man. Just do it. See that? Just do it. Like before you watch, cause you know. So this is a female, UK rapper female. Never heard about her. Apparently she have a single because I do a little research a while ago. I see her single. Me never listen to her song. Never listen to this either. So I say, yo, I'm gonna jump straight to this and see what I go on. Yo, like me at. I don't give a up. All right, let's go. Ready?
It's matter of me.
Daily Duppy now.
Turn me up, kid Spiral.
Yellow and black in the man. Black and yellow. Okay, bad gal. Spin and roll. Ivorian Doll, Daily Duppy. Spin and roll, baby. Let's go, let's get it.
Picked up a pen in December, 08 in a date to remember. Young black queen and I enter, former member, thinks I resent her.
Picked up a pen in December. Something, me no member.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you?
So basically, what she just said a while ago, so she picked up a pen in a December, so she not do it long. So what she just say, farmer member thinks me resent her. So was she in a group before? Was she in a group? Because I just get that a while ago. I'm getting better at this, right?
Hell to the N to the no. You are not a good negotiator.
Let's go again, man. Get my water ready.
Picked up a pen in December, 08 in a date to remember.
Oh, 8 is a date to remember. Oh, so 2008, okay.
Young black queen and I enter, former member, thinks I resent her.
Former member thinks I resent her, yeah.
Could they take him attention center, snake pretender, got spun in a blender. Twitting
Huh?
thinks I resent her. Could they take him attention center?
Couldn't take him attention center. So basically, she said our friend couldn't take that she was a farmer. Our farmer friend couldn't take that she was the center of attention. So they had to part ways. Okay.
Snake pretender, got spun in a blender.
Spun!
Twitting a YouTube trend, I say still talk my name when I left ya. Snake pretender, got spun in a blender. Twitting a YouTube trend, I say still talk my name when I left ya.
I ain't doing this. I ain't doing it. I'm not doing it. Me not doing it. Why you guys are giving me these hard lyrics for dissect and breakdown? Why? Honestly, so. Why? Sure, I'm gonna do it anyway. Twitter and a YouTube Twitter and a YouTube trender. It's the Twitter side, the YouTube side. Twitter and a YouTube trender. Something, me no remember again.
Concentrate. Focus.
I need to go home and practice for real.
Young black queen and I enter, former member, thinks I
Resent
resent
her.
her. Could they take him attention center, snake pretender, got spun in a blender.
I love her accent though. I love different accents. I love your accent. Bugsy accent as well. I like Bugsy Malone accent. Manchester. Yeah. I like Bugsy Malone accent. Big up Bugsy too. What's your blender?
Twitting a YouTube trend, I say still talk my name when I left ya. Had to done that duo, I think you know, cut that evil eye. See.
So basically say, yo, me I fit That's what I keep telling you guys. Friend, no. Friend. Friend. I keep telling you guys. She said she done it. She done it. She done it. She don't want nothing to do with it anymore. She just do her own thing now. To record for your mama. Water! 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 Fire! Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go.
See how I kicked off 2-0, big boss Hugo, Saj, no Gemini. Cut that evil eye. See how I kicked off 2-0, big boss Hugo, Saj, no Gemini. 10-second clip to $1 million a month. I made it to my Hugo, Saj, no Gemini. 10-second clip to $1 million a month.
10-second clip to $1 million, to $1 million. Yo, leave that one there. Me not trouble that one there. Leave that. That is bigger than me. That is bigger than me. I'm a midget. I'm a dwarf. That is a giant. Leave that.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Made it to my Jordan ones. Putting those rumors to bed, now they all are done one. Chancy with my toy boy. If I did get deed, then I might boy.
Wait.
Rumors to bed, now they all are done one.
Wait, man. Wait, no. Yo, what? Yo. Why you guys giving this? Why you wanna give me this for reactor for? Why you wanna give me this? Subscriber, you that send it in, respect, big up yourself, but I don't like you.
Listen, Jade.
I don't like you. I do not like you. Why you do this to me? Why you do this to me? Why you do this to me, bro? Come on.
Second clip to $1 million a month. I made it to my Jordan ones. Putting those rumors to bed, now they all are done one. Chancy with my toy boy.
Basically, she put all of the rumors them to bed. That's all I get from that bit. She put all of the rumors them and something about Thai boy. She reach a Thai boy partner, which she talk about her Thai boy. You know, everybody should know what a Thai boy is, you know? I'm not a Thai boy.
Oh no.
I made it to my Jordan ones. Putting those rumors to bed, now they all are done one. Chancy with my toy boy. If I did get deed, then I might boy. Cause it insta that.
What yo? That's Poppy. That's popcorn. Big up popcorn. That's popcorn. Slang. What yo? Wicked low. No, lower than my one. But what yo?
Bed, now they all are done one. Chancy with my toy boy. If I did get deed, then I might boy. Cause it insta that. Then so would your career be the first to be unemployed.
Whoa, she's firing shots at people. She's firing some shots. She's firing some. She's dropping words. She's dropping words. Words.
I did get deed and I might boy. Cause it insta that. Then so would your career be the first to be unemployed.
Who's this
If I
girl?
did get deed, then I might boy.
Who's that? Miss R Fabulous, woyoy. Who is that? Me no know who that. Me no know who that. Somebody leave in the comment section who that girl is.
Ones. Putting those rumors to bed, now they all are done one. Chancy with my toy boy. If I did get deed, then I might boy. Cause it insta that. Then so would your career be the first to be unemployed.
So to me, it seems like she's taking a shot at that girl like that was just on the screen. So basically, your career dead. Woyoy. She's gloating about that. She happy about that.
Bitches. Cause it insta that. Then so would your career be the first to be unemployed. Bitches.
Leave me alone. 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 Leave me. Why? Why you guys give me this to react to, bro? Like, why you guys done this, bro? Why you guys done this, bro? Yo, wicked. I don't like you guys. Man. Why you done this, man? Why, man? Boom. Yo, oh. I don't need no water, man. Don't look at me, water. I don't need no water, man.
First to be unemployed. Bitches. How many speeches you gon' do? You should have stopped at number 2. Screaming my name when I don't know you. This bitch is a dog, I'm Alicia too.
Me know Alicia from Queen's Speech something. No, take off the hat. That hat don't look good. People, me know Alicia from Queen's Speech. Alicia do this quick, the Queen speech 1, 2, 3, and 4, I think, and maybe 5 today. Alicia went mad. No, what's she name? Lady Alicia, yeah. She just fire a whole heap of shot.
No. No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
She fire a whole heap of shot at Alicia. Jesus. How would that girl here? How would this? Jesus.
My toy boy, if I did get deed, then I might worry. Cause if instead died, then so would your career be the first to be unemployed. Bitches. How many speeches you gon' do? You should have stopped at number 2. Screaming my name when I don't know you. This bitch is a dog, I'm Alicia too.
This bitch is a dog, I'm Alicia too. Wordplay, pan Alicia name, Lady Alicia name. This bitch is a dog, I'm gonna Alicia too. Come here. Come here, dog. Tap your nice. This bitch, don't hit the dog, don't hit the dog, don't hit the dog. This bitch is a dog, I'm gonna Alicia too. Alicia is a dog. Mongrel dog or big dog? Wait, you say? Ivorian. Big dog or small dog? Mongrel dog or big? Look, yo, that part. Leave that.
You should have stopped at number 2.
Lady Alicia, big up yourself.
Screaming my name when I don't know you. This bitch is a dog, I'm Alicia too.
Jesus Christ.
Look at the hair, look at the nails, look at the drink. Look at the views, look at the plaques, look at the hits.
I views them high.
You see me shine, I'm on my grind, look at the pics. About to blow, rocking off white, I ain't talking bricks. Snatch rig back like a Lambo roof, make her disappear like where she proof. When you're bedroom truth, if I see that wretch, you can...
Don't shade Rich. Rich I'm a G. Rich a yard man too. Don't shade Rich. Rich a yard man. Don't shade Rich a yard man, you know. Mind what you do, you know. Know yourself, you know, girl. Mind what you do. Me rate you, me like your song, but let me hear what you say about Rich.
Snatch rig back like a Lambo roof, make her disappear like where she proof. When you're bedroom truth, if I see that wretch, you can get free too, yeah, you, yeah.
Ah, okay. Me understand. Rich 3-2. You don't know Rich 3-2 is a big deal. Big fire! Big deal. So basically, just a word play if I tell you what she gonna do to the next girl. She go if me say that Rich, in Jamaica you call it, yo, you're rich, yo. In Jamaica, Rich is a bitch. If me see that bitch, she go get, yo, she go get 3-2 tight. Yo, load. Water. Let's go.
Yeah, you. Back up dancer, yeah, you. Side man, yeah, you. See that wretch, you can get free too, yeah, you. Back up dancer, yeah, you.
Wait. There's a video there's a series of video going around with this some Asian guy. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Him sing all of the number them got to. I don't know which number I'm reaching now, but him sing all of them. Me just see him nice.
If I see that wretch, you can get free too, yeah.
See the guy? Well, you can't see him. See him there? That guy there. That guy there. Yeah, him. That's the guy I'm talking about.
Yeah, you. Back up dancer, yeah, you.
Back up dancer, me see Stormzy in the vest thing when they do on the award show.
If I see that wretch, you can get free too, yeah, you. Back up dancer, yeah, you. Side man, yeah, you.
Side man.
Oh, Vanessa, where you on your
Vanessa.
TV screen and your radio too. Only started, game got carted, highly regarded. I'm hitting targets, labels calling, I'm on the market.
This is basically such a, yo, me just start this thing, and label call me already. Hot demand, hot bread, wet bread, white bread, sliced bread, whole wheat bread, guata bread, what kind of bread? Any bread, round bread, long bread, short bread, baguette bread, sandwich bread, ham bread, you see me? Beer bread, tuna bread, cheese bread, every type of bread, she hot bread, guata bread, yeah, guata bread, Tesco bread, Sainsbury's bread, Lidl bread. What me say? Bread, she hot. That she has to tell you, she say hot, not me. She said that she hot. Bread, just started and she do it.
Ain't got carted, highly regarded. I'm hitting targets, labels calling, I'm on the market.
Bread.
Expensive carpet in my apartment, look, I'm a starlet. 4-door skirt and park it, all of this ice, I come like the artist. In my apartment, look, I'm a starlet. 4-door skirt and park it. All of this ice, I come like the artist. I set a trend. You
She call like the Arctic. When they say what up ice, she call like the Arctic. Me know how long that video no. Me know how long it up. Play.
on to the next. You hopping on. They say I flex. None of them wrong. Just got a crib of one of my songs. I set a trend. You follow.
Just got a crib from one of my songs them. Me do numbers out here. Me make my money. Me make me bing bing. Me please.
Hopping on. They say I flex. None of them wrong. Just got a crib of one of my songs. I set a trend. You follow on to the next. You hopping on. They say I flex. None of them wrong. Just got a crib of one of my songs.
For the attitude, me like her attitude. She bad. She confident. Girl, you confident up. Water. You confident hot water. Confident hot girl. Let's go.
I push buttons like typing stuff. Rose gold chain with a diamond clutch. All white whip cocaine color pirate stuff. We make money.
What she got?
Typing stuff. Rose gold chain with a diamond.
Oh, is that sheep on the one I cover art?
One of my songs. I push buttons like.
Is that her on her cover art, right? That's her on her cover art. Rumors, right? Me nah miss nothing, you know. I got the eye of a tiger, fighter, all in the air. Me have my eye of a tiger.
I can start rose gold chain with a diamond clutch. All white whip cocaine color pirate stuff. We make money, we make moves. Bro got locked, come home soon. Clock hit noon, gun go boom. Face in the box, this ain't Zoom. Rise up, got locked, come home soon. Clock hit noon, gun go boom. Face in the box.
Gonna go boom, face in a box.
This ain't Zoom, rise up.
This ain't Zoom. Zoom call, that's the way all the kids them use nowadays across the world for do online class and things and that if your country locked down. So Zoom in a box, you know, you know, like a shape of the box. I'll be a word player. Our word player is on top of this world. I think she can compete with some of the best guys. Ivorian Dolly, yeah, go on.
Got locked, come home soon. Clock hit noon, gun go boom. Face in the box, this ain't Zoom, rise up moon. Wrist.
Yo, look at her finger. Look at her finger. Ice. Not Paul now, not Paul now have cola ice than she.
Don't freeze, bro. Gucci fur. Money goes out, more goes in. My bank account's twerking. I'm just working.
Bank account turkey, girl I get money. Some girl I get money when she I get money. That she I say. Woo! Not me. She said that, not me.
Haters lurking, something get drawn in the office curtains. I got the game in the bag, it's Birkin. Listen up, truthfully I give sermons. Hey, it's daily, Duppy, that's bars on bars. IBD shoot straight for the stars.
Freestyle hard, you know? That freestyle bad, you know? That freestyle bad like Jamaican police, you know? That freestyle bad like the Navy SEAL, you know? That freestyle better than the FBI, you know? Girl, you're bad. Girl, you're bad. That girl, you're bad. That girl, you're bad, you know? She's serious, brother. Serious like a heart attack. She's serious. She's serious like a heart attack.
Look at the galaxy, I'm on Mars. If I whisper once and a man them charge. No more stickers, no more laugh. That's my jigger, he's on task. Ray and his nephew both take part. When they lick a shot, leave a maker's mark.
Ray and nephew run us in this thing a while ago. No couldn't see it. It changed, you know. Ray and nephew. Big up Ray and nephew. A Jamaica thing. Jamaica product.
I said what I said. I ain't say no more. Pack my bags, 2021, I'm going on tour.
2021, she go on tour. Basically, right now, a COVID time, so she can't go on tour. So, next year, she go on tour. She go on tour. Coming to a city near you. Make sure you go buy your ticket. Them. Look on the bus too. One big white and pink bus. You can't see it. See that? One big white and pink bus. She have with the dog.
Queen.
Badness. Bad. Me enjoy that. But listen to me. I've got a serious issue with you. I've got a serious issue with you now. I've got a serious issue with the person who tell me to react to this. Well, let me get to my channel. Nah, man, get to your channel, blood. What happened to you? You idiot? See my channel. I've got a serious issue with the person who tell me to react to this. Me not like your style. Dirty style you have. Drop your bad habit. Do not do this to me again. Me tell you, say, do not do this to me again. I don't like it. How you expect me to keep up with what she say? But me glad you point me to the direction. Me glad. Big up yourself. Yo, what time is it? Time to get out of here. Look, come more. Peace.